Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the SimpliSafe home security package. If you want to check out my unboxing video I did a while ago, that's up there in the card. But now I'm going to go and set it up. A really easy to use setup guide as well, which I will be following. So the first part is to set up the base station. So this is the base station. It's very, very straightforward. The top speaker, and at the bottom, that is where you plug your power source in. You have a little light around the bottom, SimpliSafe logo, and then please remove to activate batteries. And you can put this anywhere in your house in a central location, but for now, it's going right next to my TV.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
So the base station is now installed. Had a nice audio introduction there when turned on. Got a blue light ring around the bottom of the device. And also has the pull tab to activate the batteries. So if there is a power cut, the base station will still stay on with battery. Okay, next up is the installation of the keypad. Okay guys, so here is the keypad with a number of soft buttons there, the display, and on the back we have a bracket. So this is adhesive, so that will stick on the wall, and in here we have 4 AA batteries ready for the tag to be removed. So you want to install this really on the main exit you really use in the house, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we mainly use the back door, so this is where I'm going to be putting our keypad. Keypad is securely fitted. Right, so the next thing to do now is to install the motion sensors, and we're going to need the keypad for that as well. Okay, so this is one of the motion sensors I've just unboxed. It's got the pull tab there to activate the battery. On the back you have 4 adhesive stickers. You can peel them off and stick them to the wall. There's also an option, this slides out. That's the battery in there which you need to activate. Also has a black switch in there which controls the sensitivity, low to high. And at the moment it's set in the middle. Now the motion sensor does come with a couple of screws, so if you don't want to use the adhesive strips, you pull the adhesive strips off the back there, and there are 4 holes so you can mount it to the wall. So that's pretty straightforward. One more thing I need to point out before I install it, there is a little test button at the top there. You're supposed to install the motion sensor with the test button at the top. So make sure you have enough room to press the button, not too close to the ceiling. So the motion detectors detect motion within 10 meters. You can read all this in the instruction manual. So it's best to have them mounted in the corner for maximum coverage. And I'm going to start in that corner there. Okay, so we have one there. And the next one I'm going to pop straight into the corner just above my PC. So I can make out the 2 sensors in the corners of the room. This should provide ample coverage for the living room. Okay, so the next step is to install and set up the entry sensors. On the back we have an adhesive sticker again, the pull tab to activate the battery, and this pops off and exposes the battery in there. And if you want, you can mount this with screws as well. You do get screws with it. I'm going to be using the stickers though. And on the other part you have an adhesive sticker running along the back there. So once you've took the battery tab out of the entry sensor, put them together, the blue light will flicker. So now at the moment we have an active connection. Take it apart, SimpliSafe base station will bleep. So this is where we can test to see if it's going to work on your door or window wherever you're testing it. So there we have an active connection. Doesn't have to be flush straight to each other. Then when you open the door, activate. So make sure you get it lined up, peel the adhesive stickers off and stick it on. Okay, so that's both sensors securely fitted. Let's open the door. There we go. Shut it. That's it. Open it again. Very happy with that. Now I'm going to do the same for the window. On the window I have the large sensor on the main frame and the small sensor on the actual window. I want to do that to the French doors I did earlier. So I might have to go back and swap them over. Brilliant, that works. So far, so good. Easy installation. So if you did make a mistake like I did, and you need to remove the stickers, just slide down the bracket, and you see a nice green pull tab there. Pull that slowly, and that'll come up off the wall, or wherever you've stuck it to. And there should be replacement tabs in your package. I still have the SimpliCam camera to install and set up. That's just a case of plugging it in, USB powered, installing an app on your phone and getting that set up. But first, I need to assign all the devices with the keypad. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the tab to activate the power. And it's doing something. Off, home, away. It's booting up. That flickering is not on the device, it's because of my camera. Connecting to base station. Choose a master pin. This code you'll use to disarm your system and to change settings. Okay, I'm going to choose a pin quickly. New pin confirmed. And the base station talks to you while you're doing it. So install your devices, follow the mounting instructions in the guidebook or mobile app, which I've already done. This is clicky button, so you can click OK on that. Press button on a device to test and name. So I'm going to remove the tab and press the button on the first motion sensor.
Motion sensor detected. Now choose a name.
Okay, so the base station is now talking to us. We need to name the device. Living room.
Motion sensor named.
Okay. So now we have a living room motion sensor. Now press button on the next device.
Motion sensor detected. Now choose a name.
Okay, so choose a name again. Again, this is in the living room. Will it let me use both?
Motion sensor named.
Yeah. Okay, so 2 motion sensors are named and set up. So we now need to do the same with the entry sensors. There is a tiny button on there as well.
Entry sensor detected. Now choose a name.
Okay, so we have front door, back door, garage. So it's back door, definitely. Definitely back door, let's set that.
Entry sensor named.
Cool. Let's do the final sensor, the window.
Entry sensor detected. Now choose a name.
I'm going to set other. See what that gives us. Enter device name. Back window.
Entry sensor named.
Brilliant. Then click done. So if you're done installing, you can hit next or go back and keep adding devices. That's it. Next. Now SimpliSafe offer a monitoring subscription as well. So if you want to go and activate that, you go and click next. So you can register your base station and you should have a SimpliSafe account. Go to their website, pop in your email address and password and log in. And when you first log in, you'll be presented with the base station serial number you need to enter. So go to the bottom of your base station and enter in your serial number and click Next. You then need to add your information and your credit card details for the monitoring service. Go ahead and do that. You then need to enter your monitored address, a safe word, and some primary contacts as well. So go ahead and fill all that in. Okay, so activation complete. Currently activating your base station, and it takes around 10 minutes. So once you're logged in and activated, you're pretty much ready to go. So this is the main dashboard, and from here you can set off, home, or away. At the minute I've set it to home. I'm going to kick it to off, and you'll hear the base station.
Alarm off.
Set to off. Now down the side here you have loads of different settings. So timeline, I'll show you as much as I can, obviously for personal information. So there we go, disarmed. It's got a timeline there. So monitoring, that is basically your pro monitoring that you get set up, and you can add credit card payments or contacts and alter addresses as well. Pins is obviously the pin numbers you set up. System, okay, so the system here, general settings. There are quite a few here. So in away mode, you have an entry delay of 30 seconds. Time allowed to enter. Exit delay, you have 60 seconds. Obviously, these you can alter it yourself. Home mode, entry is 30 seconds and exit is 0. I have additional settings here: siren duration, siren volume, chime volume, voice prompt, and base station light. Go to devices. Now this will sync with all your devices connected at home. So back window, back door, living room 2. These are all set. The alarm is off at the moment. And then you can shop and add more devices. Then alerts. And alerts, you can add a user in here. So this is pretty much it for the dashboard. Really easy to use. Once your monitoring plan has been fully set up, if an alarm is triggered, then there will be a call which goes straight out to Securitas, security systems, and you'll get a phone call from them. Okay, so you can log into the dashboard or even download the app, and you can set the time limit you have for when you set the alarm. So I'm going to set it to away because I want to test this alarm.
Please exit now.
I'll set it to 45 seconds. That's the lowest you can set it to. So it's counting down at the moment. And then after that time is counted down, the alarm will be set.
Alarm on. Away.
Okay, so the alarm is now on. I'm standing completely still. So if I move now in front of the sensors, I'm guessing it's going to go off. Or if I open an entry door sensor. So I'm just on my mobile device and I'm going to walk near a motion sensor. I have no idea how sensitive. Oh, okay. That's just detected me moving. It's asking me to enter a pin, but I'm not going to enter a pin because I want to hear what this alarm sounds like. So that got me pretty much straight away. I'm dreading what this alarm's going to be like. It's going to come straight from the base station as well. Oh, there we go. That is ear-piercing loud. If I go enter the pin.
Alarm off.
There we go. So, that worked. That alarm is very, very loud, a piercing alarm. Again, you can set these on the dashboard, the intensity of the sound as well, and the timeouts as well. So that was a successful test. The motion sensor pretty much picked me up as soon as I started moving, so very, very good. Okay, so the final piece to the puzzle is the SimpliCam. This is USB powered. I'm going to plug it in and register it on the app. Okay, so here is the SimpliSafe HD camera. You can peel that off there. There's an LED light indicator there at the top. Obviously the camera lens, the motion sensor there at the bottom as well. This comes off, and within there you plug in your micro USB cable, which you get provided. Nice, long and flat micro USB cable. You can use your own if you've got your own. And you get power adapter as well. So you open up your SimpliSafe application and go down to cameras. Install camera. Yes, I'm installing it at home. So obviously add your camera to your home network. I'm putting my camera in the living room. Yes, the light is flashing white. Next, scan code to connect. So you click get code. Okay, so I've got to put this code in front of the camera. Scan.
Okay, now attempting to connect to Wi-Fi.
Okay, so we now have living room camera there. Let's click done. So at the moment it's got a yellow light at the top of the camera, and that indicates in the instruction manual that the camera is updating to the latest software. Let's go over to the app. Retry, so that's just flickered open the shutter. There we have. Live view. Okay. That's cool, so let's shut that down. And in the app here you can see in the camera settings, living room, online, connected to the Wi-Fi network, night vision is auto, mic audio on, status lights on. Now on the app it recommends that you set the shutter to open when the alarm is set to away, so I'm going to put that back, save changes. So in peace of mind that you have privacy at home as well, your camera is not going to be compromised or people spying on you. So if you set it to the shutter to open on away, it'll be fine. So that was a quick look through the app and the camera. Camera really easy to set up. The application is really good as well. So guys, that was the setup and full installation of this SimpliSafe home security system. This is the first security system I've ever set up and used, and it has been really easy. Installation of the sensors was straightforward. The configuring of the devices, activating the system online, testing the alarm, and the base station and the camera are all working well. Really hope this video has helped you a lot, guys. Check the links in the description below for this security system. Very affordable, very easy to set up. I think it's absolutely brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Any comments, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Please exit now.